worthy. Rain still, stone can't hurt me. Been ballin'. And that nigga pussy knew a nigga from New York. And he was a sissy. Bitch,
What's good, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another legendary video. Come on, y'all, man. Y'all know if I'm posting this a legendary video, man. Y'all know that, right? Y'all know that, right? Y'all know before we even get into the video to hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notification, because, you know, we grinding, we going up. You feel me? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications, because, yeah, you don't want to miss none of these bangers, boy. I'm telling you, I'm dropping them. I'm dropping them. You see it? You see it? You see the work ethic, you see the flow, so yeah, we dropping it. But today we got a video on the Charger. The Charger is basically complete. We finna drop it off at Mako to go get painted, and yeah, I'm gonna flip this camera around, let you guys see what the hell the Charger is looking like now. But before we get into that, I'm gonna say it one more time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications, to be notified every time I upload a new video. Because you don't want to miss nothing else that's coming. I'm telling you. Y'all see it now. I'm doing this all by myself. You see it now. You see it now. But turn on your boy post notifications. So, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and show y'all what this Charger looks like. And boom. There y'all have it, man. There she go. What y'all thinking, man? Did I do the bumper? Don't say nothing about that gap right there. The bumper is still not completely bolted on. It's finna go to paint. So yeah, that's why that's not still attached. But boom, here we go, man. Yeah, yeah, y'all see me? Stop playing with me, man. I does this for real, on me, on Jesus Christ Himself. I does this. You feel me? I'm giving y'all a whole walk around, let y'all really get the gist of this shit, man. Damn, I almost tripped over a bamboo tree. If you see that thing hanging out right there, that's because it needs a new inner fender. And what I told you on the other side, the bumper is not attached right here because it's finna go to paint. That's why the bumper's not attached. Don't be getting on to me about the goddamn bumper. I know it's not attached right there, but yeah, she finished though, man. I'd say it was about 3 weeks of me working on this car. All the parts coming in, taking their time to come in, but hey, look at it now, complete. I does this, man. No, I didn't go to school for mechanics, nothing. This is just me, what I've learned over the years, man. That's it. I ain't go to school, nothing. You feel me? Ain't nobody teach me this. I ain't have no males in my family. Well, I got males in my family, but none of them know about cars. And bro, you can ask them if y'all know my people, y'all can ask them the males right now. Y'all can ask them yourself. I don't know, they don't know shit about cars, you feel me? But yeah, they don't know nothing about cars, so I'm the only one in my family that knows shit about cars. So yeah, no males in my family taught me how to work on cars, nothing. It's just me. I learned by myself over the years. Like, that's it. That's it. Over the years, that's it. What y'all think, man? Tell me in the comments what y'all think, how I did on the Charger. Y'all think I did a good job? Y'all think I need to do some more work on it, or what? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. But you already know, your boy Maje is out. I greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. The Car Boys is out. Peace.